How to create a booklet format on Google Docs. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily create a booklet format on Google Docs. First thing you're going to have to do, open up your web browser, go to the search bar, and then search for docs.google.com. Once you do that, your Google Docs will open up. Now open up a blank document. So as you can see here, what the booklet format is, there will be a straight line down the middle, and you should be able to write on both sides of your page. So if I just write here, it's a normal document. It's a completely fresh new document. So to create a booklet kind of format, you can first go to File, and then from here, go to Page Setup. Now, from here, what you're going to do is decrease the margin to 0.5. Do the same for all these top, bottom, left, and right. Set everything to 0.5 and then tap on OK. So the margin has been decreased, or if you wanted to move even further down, you could just decrease it to somewhere around 0.3 or 0.25, depending on your choice. So once the margin has been added, you're going to head over to Format. And then from here, you're going to have to simply go ahead and click on the columns. Now click on More Options. Now on the number of columns, you're just going to have to go ahead and choose 2 columns since you're going to have to break it down the middle. And then click on Line Between Columns. Check this out. And once you've applied this setting, final step is to head over to Insert. And then from here, what you need to do is go to Break and then go to Column Break. And as you can see here, we have a line down the middle and we're able to type on both sides. So if I type here, here, wherever, I'm able to type on the both sides of the page. That's how you basically create a booklet format on Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.